The concept of a mile and the concept of an hour is a concept that we come up with. We say, okay, can everybody hold out the foot for me? The foot is about this much. Everybody is in consensus with that. When I say a second, everybody knows that it's a second. You kind of in agreement with that as well. But if you want to talk about measuring distance, measuring time, you can't keep avoiding talking about space and time. Now, these sound like some super weird, super abstract dreams that Einstein had when he was very young, but in actuality, he had these thoughts in a very scientific context, and he wanted to find out where these answers come from. The second of the questions, where he said, what would happen if I race along with light and grabbed out a scoop, gave us this theory of special relativity. The second question, the first question here, what is space and what is time, gave us not just the theory of special relativity, but also the general theory of relativity. And these two theories changed our perceptions of the whole world. But the reality that we see, that we know, was always assumed to be exactly measurable. They said, if I throw a chalk up, I know exactly where it is, I know exactly how it's falling down. And that's why I can build models of it. Both flipped that standard around by questioning that and came up with the whole idea of quantum mechanics. What is to say that our perceptive powers are limited to 3 plus 1 dimensions. Maybe there are more. Maybe there are more. Now, this is all that scientists need. This is all we need. Because there are no theories that have 10 dimensions and 11 dimensions, where everything is made up of tiny little strings coiled around, or everything's flat with little fibers sticking out of it. So they come up with many theories, and you ask them, wait, why can't I see these? Good, take a scale. You don't have the powers to see it. Simple. Now, this sounds nice. It's comforting to know that despite my massive ignorance, there is something concrete out there. Non-realists are like, no, I'm not going to fall for that trap. There is no objective reality. Any reality that I have is either one that I create for myself, or a reality that comes into birth because of the theories that I have.